A good organizational feature in Live 10 is the new time and date stamping. If I go into my current project here and, for example, go into samples, I can see that for example, the samples that I put into reverse, I can see the date and time I did that, as well as, of course, consolidate and recorded and so on. I can also go into the backups file, which is new, or backups folder, and that shows all the backups of the various sets in this project. And so I can actually go back in time for this particular set called More Beat. Obviously, these saves were made pretty much one after the other in terms of time, but it's a very handy way to come back to different versions or just to keep your files relatively organized.